So guys, for today's video, I noticed already that this is the thing that won't let me sleep during the night. This is the sound that they are making. They are playing during the night. That's why it won't let me sleep, this sound. Oh my god guys, now I know. So during the night I will hide this ball. They don't really make me sleep guys. My god, they are playing even in the middle of the night. So yan, ganyan sila kagulo guys. Yan. This ball, it's make so noise. Ayan guys, already I noticed, so I know. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.